Good morning, dear students. See, this is the continuation of the Not for Profit Organization. That is the sixth problem. Following are the balance sheet and receipts and payments accounts of Raghavendra Education Trust, Bellary. Balance sheet as of 31st March 2016. This is the opening balance sheet. It means it is the closing balance sheet of the previous year and the opening balance sheet of the current year. So, capital fund 64,000 advance subscription. Subscription received in advance. That is 1,200. That is current year's advance received in the previous year. And outstanding expenses last year incurred, which is not paid to be now to be payable. And loan, there is 10,000. Income and expenditure account, that is undistributed or unadded surplus of the last year. Now we have to add for the capital fund. Building 60,000 outstanding subscription means previous year subscription receivable not received, that we have to receive in the current year. Outstanding rent and rent is receivable not received in the last year, then we have to receive in the current year. Cash at bank, and it means it is the opening cash balance. So this last year closing cash balance will be converted as a opening cash balance of the current year. Subscription 2015 and 16 400. See, 400 receivable received in this year, no need to record anywhere. And current year 2016 and 17 received 4,200, and 17 and 18 next year's means 2017 and 18. That is totally three types of years are there already. You know, previous year means last year, current year means present year, next year means future year. So 2017 and 18 is the next year. So next year advance this will be treated as a liability to the organization. So entrance fees 1,600 and rent received in the current year is 1,400. And income from refreshment means hotel charges. Refreshment means any tiffins, manager tiffin, conveyance. These are all comes under the refreshments. That's amounted to rupees 8,000. So coming to the expenses incurred during the year 2015 and 16, previous year. So 2,800 payable. Now it is paid. No need of consideration anywhere. And 2016 and 17 this year expenses. Then the expenses we have to consider here. Leasehold land, that is the property got for lease, that amounted to rupees 8,000. Interest paid 800 is there. Refreshment expenses 4,000 and balance carried down. That is the final cash balance of 16,700 in our hand. Totally receipts and payments account is 35,900 and 35,900. See, coming to this outstanding expenses, current year expenses still to be payable is 1,000. Outstanding subscription from the members to the not-for-profit organization, amount receivable is 200, and outstanding interest to be payable 400 is there. So next half of the interest fees, in the same 1,600 is there. In that 1,600, 800 to be capitalized. It means we have to add on the liability side of the balance sheet to the capital fund 800, and another 800 we have to treat it as a revenue income. Okay, next depreciate building by 10%. See, value of the building is 60,000 is there, 10%, 6,000, the value is decreased. Now go to the expenses. See, expenses to expenses. Only 2,800 is there previous year, and this year we paid. No need to consider these two. These two are not required to record anyway. And 2016 and 17 amount is 3,600 and 1,000 is there. 3,600 and outstanding for current year 1,000. That is totally 4,600. Next is that leasehold interest by interest to interest. Interest paid, already paid is 800. Still payable, outstanding interest is and outstanding for current year 400. Totally 1,200 in the outer column. And refreshment expenses to refreshment expenses 4,000 is there. And next depreciation on building to depreciation on buildings 60,000 into 10 by 100, that is the net decrease is 6,000. Coming to the subscription, say 4,400 and 400. Receivable received separately. So 4,200 to subscriptions, 4,200, and outstanding for current year 200, and advance in previous year 1,200. Totally 5,600. Next is the subscription over entrance fees. Half of the entrance fees to be capitalized to entrance fees, 50% of 1,600, that is 800. After that, rent, to rent, by rent, rent received 1,400. No adjustments for this, but here rent receivable in the last year is 1,400 less outstanding in previous year, that is 840. So that 840 will be deducted from the rent. So 560, 13. $560. So next, income from refreshment. By refreshments, 8,000. By refreshments, 8,000. And now the interest is over, outstanding interest over, outstanding subscription over, everything is over. Okay. So now, go through this. Totally, credit side is 14,960. 14,960. Debit side is 15,800. So deficit is by excess of expenditures over income, that is deficit. So 840. Now totally 15,800 and 15,800. 15,800 and 15,800. Balance sheet is most important. If not, it won't tally. See once again everything. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2017. Liabilities rupees and rupees. Assets rupees. Go to this. Liabilities capital fund. Capital fund is there 64,000 and surplus previous year 3,240 and entrance fees 50%, that is 800. So 68,040 less deficit 840. So here 67,200. 67,200 is the overall capital fund of the current year. So outstanding expenses subscription, advance subscription in the sense this one, 300. Here everything is over. Loan is there. Loan 10,000. So now coming to the asset side, buildings 60,000 less depreciation 6,000. So 54,000 in the outer column. Next, outstanding subscription for the current year only. Outstanding subscription, that is 200, and leasehold land, that is 8,000. Next, interest and refreshment expenses, cash 16,700. 67,900. 8. 78,900. Here 900. 8. Carry 1. 78,900. 78,900. So compare the problem with the solution, then you will understand each and everything. This is problem number 6 of the not-for-profit organization. This is the solution. Income and expenditure account, deficit is 840 because expenses are more than the incomes, and the balance sheet total is 78,900. Deficit should be deducted, and last year surplus should be added. Entrance fees 50%.